Hey fitness fam! I'm about to show you 9 meal prep secrets that literally saved my life. These aren't boring recipes. Each one takes less than 5 minutes to assemble, and you can meal prep them all in just 90 minutes on Sunday. And here's the crazy part. I lost 12 pounds in my first month using these exact recipes. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to meal prep like a pro. So stick around because I'm revealing my #1 protein hack at the end. And trust me, it's a game changer. Before we jump into the 9 recipes, let me show you the secret to efficient meal prepping. Most people waste 2 to 3 hours on meal prep because they're not organized. Here's exactly how to cut that in half. First, lay out all your ingredients. Second, write down what you're making and how long each step takes. This simple trick saved me over 100 hours per year. Check this out. See how I've organized everything by cooking method? Everything that goes in the oven together, everything that cooks on the stovetop together. This is the difference between chaotic meal prep and pro-level meal prep. Ingredient number 1, roasted vegetables. This is my secret weapon for weight loss. Why? Because you get fiber, vitamins, and satiety without loading up on calories. Today I'm roasting broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red onion, and garlic. But here's what most people mess up. They mix vegetables with different cooking times and end up with some burnt, some undercooked. Not with my system. See, broccoli and Brussels sprouts take exactly 25 minutes at 425 degrees. If you want to add harder veggies like carrots or potatoes, you need a separate tray because they take 45 minutes. Here's the pro move. I slice everything to the same thickness, about 1/4 inch. Consistency is key for even cooking. Then a light coat of olive oil, salt, pepper, and that's it. No complicated seasoning needed. These roasted veggies are the foundation for basically every meal this week. Number 2, sweet potato toast. This is my favorite gluten-free breakfast hack. And unlike regular toast, Sweet potato toast is packed with fiber and makes you feel full longer. The key is slicing the sweet potato to the right thickness. Too thin and it falls apart. Too thick and it won't toast properly. I'm using a 1/4 inch thickness, perfect every time. Now here's the magic. You can toast these in a regular toaster. Yes, a regular toaster. Just set it to medium-high and toast for 2 rounds. You'll have 8 slices of gorgeous, perfectly toasted sweet potato ready to go. These stay fresh for 5 days in a glass container with a paper towel to absorb moisture. And the best part, each slice is only 20 calories but keeps you satisfied for hours. I use these for breakfast, lunch, or even as a healthy snack base. Ingredient number 3, baked chicken with herbs. I always have some type of protein every week, and this week I'm making my baked chicken with herbs. I'd say this is one of my go-tos when it comes to an easy chicken recipe, and I make it a few times a month. Now I'm just baking 2 chicken breasts as I'm one person, but you can of course double or triple this for a family. So you'll coat both sides of the chicken with avocado oil and season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle on your favorite herbs and spices, and I'm using a mix of basil, parsley, thyme, rosemary, and garlic powder. But feel free to get creative. If you need a little spice inspiration, these herbs are game changers. Then bake at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Use an instant read thermometer to check. You want 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. This chicken is the protein foundation for basically every meal this week. In terms of a starch or grain, I'm making white rice today because that always does better with my digestion. But you could also make brown rice, quinoa, lentils, or really any other pulses or grains, and the great thing is that you can switch it up every single week. At the same time my rice is cooking, I'll heat up another pot of water to boil some eggs. So the way I cook eggs is to boil the water first, then place the eggs in and set a timer immediately when they've entered the water. I find this method always produces the most consistently perfect eggs. My favorite eggs are 6.5-minute eggs, or what you might call jammy eggs, but if you like them harder or softer, feel free to adjust the time. The key with meal prepping eggs, though, is to have a bowl of ice water nearby so that once you remove the eggs from the pot, you can submerge them in the ice water to instantly stop them from cooking. For the almond butter, it's as easy as roasting 4 cups of almonds for 10 minutes, letting them cool, then blending on high for 1 minute. If you do that, you'll have ultra creamy and smooth homemade almond butter. Way better than store-bought, and you know exactly what's in it. No weird additives, no extra sugar, just pure almonds. Homemade hummus is just as easy as homemade almond butter, and I'm obsessed with this hummus recipe. It tastes so much better than anything you can buy in the store, and it has a fresh garlic flavor that's out of this world. Just chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and salt. Blend until smooth. One of my favorite things to scoop up hummus with is celery and carrot sticks, and it's so much more efficient to chop a bunch of celery and carrots in one sitting rather than to cut and clean them as needed throughout the week. The good news is that if you store them in a jar with fresh cold water, they'll also stay crisp for at least 7 days, if not longer. Last on our list is an ingredient you probably know by now is one of my favorites, and that's zucchini noodles. Zucchini noodles are so versatile and can be used as a main dish with a bolognese sauce or as a salad with a light cucumber sauce. They'll also stay fresh for up to 5 days in a sealed container, and because they are 95% water, I line the bottom of this glass lock container with a paper towel just to absorb any extra moisture. Now here's where the magic happens. With these 9 ingredients prepped on Sunday, you can make any of these meals in under 5 minutes during the week. Let me show you my 5 favorite quick meals. Meal number 1. The Power Breakfast Bowl. Banana, homemade almond butter, cranberries, almonds, chia seeds. That's 35 grams of protein and it tastes like dessert. Takes 2 minutes. Literally 2 minutes. Meal number 2. Sweet potato wellness toast. Sweet potato toast, avocado, radish, spinach, soft-boiled egg, microgreens. This is my go-to when I'm in a rush. Literally 3 minutes from fridge to plate. Picture perfect and delicious. Meal number 3. The quick salad. Baby spinach, tomato, avocado, soft-boiled egg, prosciutto. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic. Energy lunch in 4 minutes. This salad is restaurant quality. Meal number 4. Protein macro bowl. White rice, roasted vegetables, chicken slices, spinach, hummus. This is the meal that changed my life. Perfectly balanced macros, around 500 calories. This is literally my favorite meal of the week. Meal number 5. Garlic zucchini noodles. Heat olive oil, add garlic and spinach. Toss in zucchini noodles. Top with chicken and parmesan. This is restaurant quality in 5 minutes. No joke. Before we wrap up, here are my 3 pro tips that literally doubled my results. Pro tip number 1. Glass containers are worth it. I used to use plastic. Big mistake. Glass containers last forever, don't absorb odors, and food stays fresher. Yes, they're pricier up front, but you'll use them for years. I'm still using the same containers from 5 years ago. That's what I call an investment. Pro tip number 2. Label everything with dates. This is the difference between eating fresh food and food poisoning. Label the day you prepped it. Most prepped meals last 4 to 5 days. Proteins last 3 to 4 days. Vegetables last 5 to 7 days if stored properly. Seriously, label everything. Pro tip number 3. Use paper towels for moisture. Excess moisture is the enemy of meal prep, especially with vegetables and zucchini noodles. Line your containers with paper towels to absorb moisture and keep food crispy. This one trick changed everything. So that's my complete meal prep system for weight loss and fitness. If you try this system, I guarantee you'll see results in 2 to 3 weeks. Comment below which of these 9 recipes you're most excited to try. I read every comment and I'll reply to as many as I can. And if this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more meal prep hacks, fitness tips, and healthy recipes. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss next week's video. I love you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.